Hello everybody, Marie here with the McWane Science Center. Welcome to another SciSparks. Today, we're going to be turning something ordinary into something extraordinary. Keep watching to see how you can make something out of milk using the power of science. We can drink milk, right? And we can eat it in foods like cheese and butter. But did you know that we could sculpt with it? To do so, all we need is a little help from heat and vinegar. First, I'll measure out a cup of whole milk into a heat-resistant glass measuring cup, and then place it on a hot plate until steaming. Heat-resistant is very important because we do want to be safe. I'll also measure out 4 teaspoons of vinegar into another heat-resistant cup. Now that our milk is nice and toasty, we're going to add it to our cup of vinegar. Oh, wow. And gross. These white chunks are called curds. If you've ever heard of curdled milk, but never knew what it looked like, well, here you go. This curdling happens because when an acid like vinegar is added to the milk, this new acidic environment makes the casein proteins in the milk unfold and link together into a long chain, making it solid. Now that my milk has cooled a bit, I'm going to strain the curds out of the liquid and squeeze out any excess. Now in front of me, I have a pile of milk curds, but they can become so much more. In fact, with some kneading, molding, and time to dry, they will become something called casein plastic, which was used in the early 1900s to make things like jewelry, buttons, and more. And you can even try this at home. I have made my casein plastic into a heart. I think I'll paint it and give it to someone special. Thank you so much for watching this episode of SciSparks. And don't forget to catch new episodes. Be sure to subscribe to McWane Science Center's YouTube channel. See you next time.